Hello guys, this is Sanket Thomre and welcome back to my channel. This video will be somehow different to my viewers because today I will talk about affiliate program. Many of the people may have misconceptions regarding this program. Whenever you ask anyone about affiliate, you will get only one answer. Register on ClickBank and you can promote their products and you will get good commission. Yes, it's right. But do you know, as a startup, ClickBank will not help you. Firstly, I will share you a presentation which I prepared for you. Yes, best affiliate program for beginners. I will share you a slideshow. I will first tell you about affiliate marketing definition, which you can even find on Google. A marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. Okay, I will explain this definition in my notepad. In this definition, you will find a marketing arrangements by which an online retailer. What is meant by online retailer? Online retailer is nothing but your affiliate sites. For example, ClickBank. Let's assume we are talking about ClickBank. Okay. ClickBank is your online retailer. And what about external website or traffic? External website or traffic. Let's assume it's you as an affiliate programmer. So, a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer, that is ClickBank, commission to an external website. Means ClickBank will pay a commission to an external website or traffic. That is, ClickBank will provide you as an affiliate programmer. There are many of the affiliate programs. I will again share you the screen of presentation. Okay, affiliate programming sites. First is ClickBank, second is JVZoo, and third is Digistore. As I told you, ClickBank will not help you in all the situation of startup, and also JVZoo is also the same. But whereas Digistore will help you a lot. So, firstly I will elaborate about ClickBank and JVZoo. Let's look up of the ClickBank. Among the top affiliate sites, ClickBank is the best, no doubt. But for starters, it will create an issue regarding sign up, and then your product promotion, which is really hard to do. I will share you a screenshot of that error which I faced. So that's why I am also not able to sign up on ClickBank. Account disabled. We appreciate your interest in ClickBank. Based on a review of your profile information, we are unable to offer you a ClickBank account at this time. This decision is final. JVZoo, we can simply sign up on our account and firstly choose our niche and then start for promotion. But in this, you need to send convincement to the product owner for promotion, which is quite disappointed for starters. So I will share you some screenshots regarding this site. First is for the sign up. You can just sign up or you can log in your account. Second screenshot you will see the products which is available in JVZoo. You can just click on any of the product, that is you can see the request approval for each product. And now in next screenshot you will see fill out the following form to request permission to product this to promote this product. So you need to do a permission for the product owner, which is quite hard for the starters to do. So don't waste your time on such a ClickBank or JVZoo. Just try Digistore, which you can simply sign up your account, then choose your niche, and simply you can make promotion using this site. Okay, now next question will arise, how can I promote this site? Let me explain you. There are simple 2 steps. First is by using your own websites, and second is by creating affiliate links and promote it on social media. So firstly I will explain you regarding websites. You need to purchase your own domain name and hosting space for promoting your landing page. But the best thing of this site is you can create your landing page and can use any template which is free of cost. It's really an awesome one. And next is you can create affiliate link of your promote and can share link on any of the social media. But for this you need a good number of followers on social media. Then and only then you can succeed in this program. Let me share you screenshot of it. Digistore. Yeah, in first screenshot you can see there is an option of promote now. You can just click on promote now and you can share your you can get your affiliate link. So if I forgot to discuss any point, then please comment me. In my next video I will create separate video on Digistore. Hope that this video will help out if you are thinking to be an affiliate marketer. So if you want more videos regarding this, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment if you want to add more points. So see you in the next video. Bye.